In this video, we will discuss the future of mobility and how it is present within the MxMobile suite of apps.
It didn't take long before we realized that the next wave of mobility lies in freedom, freeing up hands and dialogue to get the job done quickly. It was an easy decision to couple our apps with a hands-free unit that would give the workers the sort of functionality that would further accuracy and effectiveness. Operating hands-free helps avoid the messes that often come with an industrial setting and enables collaboration with colleagues in a see what I see way. It is the next generation of mobility for maintenance workers. Wearable technology might or might not be adopted by the consumer market in the short term, but for the maintenance technician, this can really influence their ability to perform their jobs from an efficiency and a safety standpoint. We did a lot of research in the wearable technology space before diving in headfirst, and ultimately partnered with Realwear, the makers of an HMT head-mounted tablet unit. What makes Realwear HMT appealing to us is that each HMT runs a version of Android operating system. The APKs can be deployed directly to the device or over an MDM. Realwear actually has their own MDM called Foresight. There's a JavaScript SDK available for HMT units, specifically that allows HTML voiced commands to be attached in Cordova or Capacitor apps. All voice command conversion takes place on board the device, which is really important because this enables offline situations where workers could lose connectivity and still use our apps. We're in an industrial setting most of the time where Wi-Fi coverage in and around plant situations is not always guaranteed. And finally, integration with Microsoft Teams and Zoom for see what I see scenarios. This is an excellent use case for technicians in the field. Imagine a situation where a technician could be out in the field and call on Teams back to the shop in order to have a collaborative session with their supervisor or peer. They can share using the camera feature on the HMT what they're seeing and still be able to operate using their hands. Our apps can leverage this integration in a meaningful way.
Thanks for watching this video from A3J Group and the MxMobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.